Hello, in this video we're going to change the light bulbs in this climate control. This came out of a Honda Pilot, and all the lights are out in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the bulbs in it. We need to remove these 4 screws in the back. Let me find a screwdriver here. Just remove these 4 screws. Carefully get these screws out of here. And then we got 4 clips. One here, one here, and 2 on this side. So we just kind of gently pry them up, let it slide back. Do the same on the other side. And voila. Just pull the back off, set it aside, and this back panel will pull up and off. And then you can see the screws, or the bulbs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small ones. So we're going to remove the small ones. Just turn, whoops, just turn them about 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise, and they should pop right out of there. Of course, that one's got to be a little difficult. These 6 are the backlighting, so when you turn on your headlights, buttons light up. The other larger 3, I believe, are the display bulbs, which are, yeah, those are the display here. As you can see, the display, it takes 3 bulbs there, but we got those 6 out. As you can see, they're pretty small brown ones, and I got the replacements. 6 white ones that are the same size and style bulb. So we'll put these bad ones up here. We'll take the white ones. I'm just going to kind of drop them into location real quick. We'll just turn them counterclockwise, or clockwise, I'm sorry. Might need a little better screwdriver. They're tight because they're new. They will fit. You just need to get a screwdriver that fits that slot in the back of the bulb. Looks like I got in between screwdriver sizes here. There we go. There we go. They're turning. Of course, 2 of them didn't want to go in real easy. That's okay. There, they don't have to turn much. Then we want to remove the 3 for the display. It's a good idea just to replace them all when you're in here. The kit comes with all the bulbs you need, so you can just replace all 9 of them. Get all these guys out of here. Okay, here's the 3 that we removed that go to the display. Here's my replacement bulbs. As you can see, different color, same size. So we'll just get rid of the 3 brown ones, put these in their location. This one's got a Phillips head screw pattern on the back of the bulb. You can use a flat or the Phillips. I'm just going to use the flat. Just twist that one in, twist that one in, and line that one and twist that one in. And we put, flip this back over, I'm sorry. And then we put this back into place. It will only go in one way. It's got little guides that'll line it up for you. We'll snap on the back cover. We're going to test it before I go put the screws back in it. Let's see. And there we go. All the new back linings on, nice and bright. You can see the display looks pretty good. Yep. Lights work. Everything looks good. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Other than putting the 4 screws back in, which are pretty self-explanatory. That's it. Thanks for watching.